Your Lordship, if you kindly peruse Annexure P4, not only the petitioner but also her son, Mr. Anand Jain, has lodged several complaints against the respondent number 4. Your Lordship, the mere fact that she has appointed an advocate to defend her case has led to a series of abuses, both mental and physical. Your Lordship, I have proof in the form of pictures where blood-stained body parts are being visible. Your Lordship, it is proof of the fact that she is a victim of domestic violence day in and day out.
At the hands of whom? The mother-in-law?
Both mother-in-law and the husband. Preemptory step to avoid 498A, basically.
Madam, I am for the state respondent. I am waiting for the petition.
Yes.
May it please your Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of the private respondent number 4. Your Lordship, the main intention behind lodging this...
Let the petitioner start his case.
The petitioner is the Milord old mother-in-law, Milord, who has filed this writ petition, Milord, stating that Milord, the house initially, Milord, which was belonging to mother-in-law, Milord, was sold by mother-in-law for the Milord atrocities of the Milord son and the daughter-in-law. Now, Milord, after shifting to the new residence, Milord, the son and both daughter-in-law again, Milord, visited the mother, Milord, and with folded hands, Milord, out of love and affection, mother allowed to enter. Now, Milord, after entering, Milord, the same incidents, Milord, are happening, Milord, and the mother is in losing her dignity of living. Milord, for which, Milord, and Milord, Milord, there are, Milord, troubles in the family, Milord.
Is the private respondent the only child? Or there is a daughter of the...
No, there is no daughter of the petitioner.
Only child?
No, only child.
All right.
Now, Milord, in that situation, Milord, mother has... Oh, daughter, ache. Oh, there is a daughter, Milord, she is married. Now, Milord, she doesn't live here. Now, Milord, only thing, Milord, what is there is, Milord, today, Milord, her dignity is lost in her own house, despite shifting to a new residence. Milord, there was no other reason to sell a house and shift to a new residence. Now, Milord, after that, Milord, now only thing, Milord, as a senior citizen, she is praying, Milord, to bring back her dignity. Milord, she made complaints to the police, alleging the, Milord, atrocities happening, Milord, in the house against the mother-in-law. Now, Milord, the police authorities, Milord, do not visit the house, neither, Milord, takes any action at least known to the mother-in-law, Milord, for which the petitioner is before, Milord, today with this writ petition.
Very good.
Your Lordship, the main intention behind lodging this complaint is to oust the petitioner, respondent number 4, from her matrimonial home. Your Lordship, if you kindly peruse Annexure P4, not only the petitioner but also her son, Mr. Anand Jain, has lodged several complaints against the respondent number 4. Your Lordship, the mere fact that she has appointed an advocate to defend her case has led to a series of abuses, both mental and physical. Your Lordship, I have proof in the form of pictures where blood-stained body parts are being visible. Your Lordship, it is proof of the fact that she is a victim of domestic violence day in and day out.
At the hands of whom? The mother-in-law?
Both mother-in-law and the husband.
Husband also?
Yes, Your Lordship. This is a preemptory step to avoid 498A, basically.
The relationship between the husband and the wife, that means the son and the daughter-in-law of the petitioner, is not good?
Your Lordship, my client is trying to endure all the offenses and abuses just to maintain the relationship because they has a son. And the financial condition of her paternal home is not so good to support her and her son both. And they do not have the house to live in also. So she is enduring everything, and the petitioner is intending to oust her from the matrimonial home. Your Lordship, that's the main.
No, but then if the lady concerned is not in a position to stay together with y'all, then what can be done? Are you aware as to how big the house is? How many rooms are there? Whether there are separate entrances or not?
No.
Your Lordship, I need
it's
to
a flat one entrance.
Your
But
Lordship,
as the video photographs have been there, Milord, I have personally looked into one flat, one entrance. And Milord, videos are, Milord, not very, Milord, soothing eyes. Milord, so Milord, those are captured in a pen drive, Milord, as suggested by Milord. It may be handed over the local police. Milord, situation is not at all, Milord, to live together. Milord, and Milord, situation is, Milord, the old mother-in-law, Milord, what I have seen, Milord, maybe those videos are not complete. I will never say, Milord, I have seen the entire video, Milord, over long. But the footage which I have seen, Milord.
Who took the videos?
Milord, the son. Son took the videos. And my lord,
Son took the video. The mother is.
my lord, I've seen one video
Yes.
in a room.
Yes.
It's probably the mother's room.
All right.
My lord, where the son is sitting on bed, and my lord, the daughter-in-law is shouting and howling. The mother-in-law, my lord, is listening to everything. A minor child is being told by the mother-in-law that, look, by the daughter-in-law, that the mother-in-law is trying to separate the husband and the wife in front of the minor child. This is going on, which is not at all congenial to this minor child also. My lord, in this situation, the altercations, my lord, on one side it goes on. The video, my lord, ends at a step where the daughter-in-law, my lord, blocks the door and rushes outside. My lord, outside video I do not know. My lord, this is the, my lord, situation inside one room which I've
If the
personally
son,
looked at.
if the son took the photograph, the video, how did you get it?
So it has been handed over to the mother-in-law. Son is not a problem to the mother-in-law. My lord, if my lord sees the complaint,
This is what the private
my lord,
respondent
today,
is
my
saying.
lord, in this situation, I say let son go out with his wife. I retain my dignity. My lord, I have a right to life. I have a right to dignity. My lord, I sold my old house, shifted to my new house to avoid this situation. They can live.
This lady,
Yes.
the daughter-in-law also has a right to stay in the shared household of the matrimonial house.
Absolutely.
Then if
My lord, that is with regard to the husband's house. My lord, this is my house. In my name, I purchased out of my own fund.
Hmm.
My lord, definitely with the husband, I cannot say whether my son takes him to a rental account or purchases a new flat. My lord, I have no objections to that. My lord, today in my house, my lord, I have no, my lord, dignity.
What does your son do?
For business. My lord, business, some business. Steel sheets.
Let the son make an accommodation because the son has got enough, and let the son and the daughter-in-law stay together.
Yes, yes.
When will the son move out of the house? File an affidavit.
Your Lordship, I do not have power to that. I am representing the wife and her father.
Is the son not a
No,
party?
son not a party.
Your Lordship, son.
So I may add son
Why?
as a party.
You do not claim any relief against the son.
My lord, I claim relief, both of them move out. But my
Both,
lord,
where is the other one?
son is not added as a
Then-
party. But today, my lord, this is my submission before
This
this
is
court.
the submission of the mother that the son should go out.
Go out.
But
the
in
son-
a writ petition, not a single line is against the son.
Yes.
And son
Not
is
a
submitting the
single
mother.
line, absolutely. Because my lord, the video footages or what. But today, my lord, if I cannot say, my lord, son will take the daughter in. Oh.
Leave is granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to
No.
implead the son of the petitioner, Mr. Anant Jain, as party respondent in the instant writ petition, and serve a copy of the writ petition upon the added respondent. Next. Let the writ petition appear in the list. On 23rd of July 2024. Stop. The police is directed to ensure that no breach of peace takes place at the locale.